So hello, and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me about the iPhone. Should you buy a new iPhone every single time? So you know my answer, you know it already. My quick answer is no, of course no, okay? You should actually buy an iPhone when you think there's an upgrade. For instance, you have this iPhone, which is the 13, and you currently see that the upgrade with the 16 or 17 Pro is just so big that it's worth buying. For instance, I would recommend that if you've got an iPhone 13 and you do all sorts of stuff regarding video editing, your marketing, or you use your phone daily with the camera, yeah, there's an upgrade. I've seen the videos, you've seen the videos on our channel. There is an upgrade with the actual quality of the videos of the 16 and the 17 Pro. Other than that, I do think that if you use your mobile phone to answer emails, to answer WhatsApps, by all means, wait and see, because sometimes you might see that the actual let's say the actual quality of the iPhone is also built incredibly, the 13, so there's no need for an upgrade unless you're using it for video editing or you're using it because you need the AI chip whatsoever. In the 99.9% of the cases, you can actually change the battery if that's the issue. But I strongly recommend that before you buy an iPhone, just analyze how much money you need to earn for in time wise. So, for instance, if you earn $10 an hour, and the new iPhone is $1,300. Do not see it as a payment, a monthly payment. See it as how much time it's going to cost you to earn those 1,300 euros back. Another question would be, if you are earning money with your iPhone, then by all means, I'm into it. But if not, please be aware of this.